Most people think building a smart home costs thousands of dollars, but the truth is you can build a powerful smart home setup for under $300 if you buy the right devices. Because most people don't overspend on purpose, they just buy the wrong things first. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a beginner smart home step by step, what devices to start with, and how to get the biggest impact without wasting money. Welcome to Smart Living Lab. Let's start with the foundation of every smart home, the ecosystem. Before buying anything, you need to choose the platform that controls everything. The three main options are Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Home. All of them work well, but the mistake beginners make is mixing them randomly. If your devices don't work together, your smart home becomes frustrating instead of helpful. So, pick one ecosystem first, then build around it. Once that's set, the first upgrade you should buy is smart lighting. This is the easiest and most noticeable upgrade you can make. Smart bulbs let you control your lights from your phone, set schedules, and use voice commands. For example, you can have your lights turn on automatically at sunset and turn off when you go to sleep. Most starter packs cost between $40 and $60 and instantly make your home feel smarter. Next, add smart plugs. Smart plugs are one of the most underrated devices. They turn almost any normal device into a smart device. You can automate things like lamps, coffee makers, fans, or even holiday lights. For example, you could have your coffee maker turn on every morning or automatically shut off devices at night to save energy. Most smart plugs cost around $15 to $25, and a 2-pack is usually under $40. After that, add a smart speaker or smart display. This becomes the control center of your smart home. Devices like Echo or Nest speakers let you control everything with your voice, but more importantly, they connect your devices together. This is what allows automations to work smoothly. These usually cost between $50 and $100 depending on the model. At this point, you already have a functional smart home. Lights, plugs, and voice control all working together. But if you still have room in your budget, there's one more upgrade that adds a lot of value: a smart video doorbell. This adds both convenience and security. You can see who's at your door, talk to visitors remotely, and get alerts when motion is detected. Most entry-level smart doorbells cost around $80 to $100. Now here's what you end up with: a complete beginner smart home setup for under $300. You have automation, remote control, voice commands, and basic security, and more importantly, a system that actually works together. One more quick tip: stack your automations together. Stacking automations lets a few devices do a lot more for you. For example, your away mode can also trigger your lights and smart plugs all at once. As your setup grows, you can expand with devices like smart thermostats, motion sensors, or smart locks. Just make sure everything supports your ecosystem and ideally supports Matter for long-term compatibility. If you're just getting started, this is the smartest way to build your setup without wasting money. And if you want to avoid the most common mistakes beginners make, check out my Smart Home Mistakes video next. Build smart, start simple. Thanks for watching.